Sessions. This is Zaina and today we will talk about the things to do when it's raining. Maybe every one of us, or is it just me? Weather is a big impact to my mood from the foods I wanna eat and the things I want to. So here are the things to do when it's raining. Number 1, complain about the rain while doing nothing. Shucks! It's so rainy! I can't go out to hang out with my friends!
Wow, I love rain. I won't woke up sweaty.
Number 2, go out and play with the rain. It's fun. Number 3, be productive. So instead of complaining about the weather because you can't go out, why not make a content or postings about house and lot and earn what you're at home? Not later, not tomorrow. Get it done now! Number 4, read books or watch some movies. Number 5, everyone's favorite regardless of the weather. Make your favorite coffee.
Best coffee ever.
Number 6, clean your home. Here are some tips you can do to your house during rainy season. Check roof's leakage and fix it immediately. And invest in a water-absorbent mats because keeping your home dry during rainy season is a must. Guess what? It's time for Guess It to Win It. Answer our pop quiz question and get a chance to be one of the 3 lucky winners of AllEasy load. Are you ready to win it? Here is the pop quiz of the day. Join and have a chance to win. Just scan the QR on your screen to enter your answer or go to www.lumina.com.ph/public-event-upload. Number 7, just play cards with your friends or you can play with your own. Solitaire is the key. And number 8, clean your bedrooms. It will give you a good rest and sleep during a cold rainy days. Number 9, learn something new. As for me, I wanted to learn how to play guitar because it's a waste if I doesn't know how to play some instrument but I have a melancholic voice. Number 10, last but not the least, stop playing lato-lato. Please. Thank you for watching this week's Lumina Session episode featuring the things to do when it's raining. Don't miss the amazing opportunity to win big. Guess and win 1,000 pesos worth of AllEasy load. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below, and if you have questions about Lumina Homes, leave a comment and we'll do our best to answer. And if you want to keep posted to all the happenings at Lumina communities, please hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell below. Don't forget to follow Lumina Homes official Facebook page and check out our website page to learn more about Lumina. This has been your host, Zaina. See you next week and stay tuned for more exciting topics in the upcoming episodes. Bye!